Meteorologist Joe Hansel here with a final Wednesday of 2020 look at your national forecast, and a very active weather pattern continues. We got a cold front stretching from Lake Superior all the way south past the Mexican border, and there's another front that's about to make its way on land from the Pacific. So we got ourselves multiple precipitation types issues. Snow first. Winter weather advisories, storm warnings, and winter storm watches are all over the place. Even some avalanche issues potentially in areas of the Colorado Rockies. We're going to keep an eye on that over the next couple of days. In terms of rain, there's going to be a big bullseye New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, even extending into Saturday for areas of Texas, Arkansas, and eastern Oklahoma. Multiple inches of rain, watching for flooding issues. Today through tomorrow, heavy snow in the Intermountain West, Pacific Northwest specifically, but also New Year's Eve, New Year's Day into Saturday. There's going to be a narrow strip of some very heavy snow starting in areas of south central Texas. In terms of the snow in the mountains, the Cascades will get the heaviest of the moisture. We're talking a half a foot to a foot plus additional snow in portions of the portions of the Cascades of Washington State and Oregon. In terms of heavy snow, basically a narrow strip of about a foot or so is possible. First starting in rural areas of southwest Texas, cutting through Oklahoma, Kansas, Kansas City, where at least a few inches of snow is possible there, and extends all the way north into the weekend for areas of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes. So we got ourselves a lot of active weather to go, and some of us are already digging out of some recently heavy snow as well, so we're just adding to it. Southerly areas will have a severe component as well, from Houston to Brownsville. Large hail, damaging winds, a few tornadoes are possible today, and then Thursday night, Friday morning, or New Year's Eve, as the ball drops, watching for severe weather in areas near the Gulf of Mexico as well. So green for rain, blue for snow, any kind of pink shades, an icy, wintry mix in between. We'll have that front continue to work over the eastern U.S., and an area low pressure will start to develop over Texas, producing that snow tomorrow.